How to unhide Reddit posts. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm here with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can unhide posts on Reddit. For that, open any browser on your device and in the address bar type reddit.com, then press enter to browse it. Make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach this interface. Here, at the top right, you will find your profile icon. Click on this profile icon to access more menu options. From the menu that appears, click on the View Profile option, and then you will be taken to your profile page. Here, you will find various options. At the top, click on the Hidden option, and then you will find all your hidden posts that you have previously hidden. Now, to unhide these posts, you will see 3 dots at the right of the post. Click on these 3 dots to access a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, locate the Remove from Hidden option. After locating it, click on it, and the post will be unhidden or removed from the hidden list. You can view it in your post section now. So, in this way, you can unhide Reddit posts. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more useful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.